GCP is an international standard for the design, conduct, and reporting of clinical trials that ensures patient protection, data integrity, and regulatory compliance. It sets the guidelines for how clinical trials should be conducted, monitored, recorded, and reported. At the core of GCP is ethics, which aims to protect the rights, safety, and well-being of patients participating in clinical trials. GCP ensures that clinical trials are conducted in accordance with ethical principles such as respect for autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice. These principles underpin the informed consent process, eligibility criteria, treatment allocation, and monitoring of adverse events. GCP also requires that clinical trials be reviewed and approved by independent ethics committees or institutional review boards, which evaluate the ethical implications of the trial design, conduct, and reporting. Safety is another crucial aspect of GCP. It aims to minimize the risks associated with clinical trials and ensure the quality and reliability of the data collected. GCP requires that clinical trials be conducted in compliance with applicable regulatory requirements, such as the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use. GCP also requires that clinical trials be monitored and audited to ensure compliance with the protocol, data quality, and safety standards. Regulatory compliance and data integrity are critical components of GCP. They ensure that clinical trials are conducted in accordance with applicable laws and regulations, and that the data collected is accurate, complete, and verifiable. GCP requires that clinical trials be conducted in compliance with local regulatory requirements. GCP also requires that clinical trials adhere to rigorous data management standards, such as source data verification, data monitoring, and data cleaning, to ensure the accuracy and completeness of the data collected. The ultimate goals of GCP are healthcare and scientific advancement. They aim to improve patient outcomes and advance medical knowledge through the development of new medical interventions. GCP supports healthcare and scientific advancement by ensuring that clinical trials are conducted in an ethical, safe, and rigorous manner that promotes patient protection, data integrity, and regulatory compliance. GCP also promotes collaboration and data sharing among stakeholders, such as researchers, clinicians, patients, and regulatory authorities, to accelerate the pace of scientific discovery and medical innovation.